Hey y'all, today let's take a look at this trailer dolly by VEVOR. The brand did send it over and compensate us for this video, but I knew my dad was the perfect person to help me take a look at it because he has a huge car trailer, he's got a small utility trailer, and normally he's trying to pull that small utility trailer around the property by himself, which can tear his back up, or he's trying to hook it to his truck, but he doesn't want to always have to lug that truck out and hook it all up and do it just for a small move. So this thing was perfect. We were both surprised by how easy it was to put together. We just popped the wheels on and put the adapters and the handle in, and it was good to go. It's actually very sturdy, and it's rated for up to 3,500 pounds. The frame is also a solid carbon steel with a nice powder coated finish, so it definitely feels tough and really built to last. What my dad liked right away was that it has two different height settings, 18 and 22 inches. So you can adjust it depending on the trailer or a boat if you're working with that. You just adjust it to what you need. The swivel wheels are another big plus. They roll smoothly even over uneven spots like our driveway. The brakes really help keep everything steady. The handle is adjustable too. It has different lengths, which makes it easier to maneuver without straining. And if he needs to put it out of the way, he can also fold it down to tuck it away. It doesn't take up a lot of room, but he has a pretty big shop and he's always using his trailer, so he's just going to leave it set up. It's really just one of those tools that make moving trailers much less of a hassle. And overall, my dad was pretty impressed with it. We love it. We hope you do too. And I hope this video helps.